Today is Sunday, guys, and I'm again back, and welcome back to a brand new video. And as you remember me, my name is Ghosh, and today I'm going to unbox a Mi Smart Band 4. This is the packet that just came now from Amazon, so I'm just gonna unbox it right now. And first of all, also I really appreciate also, and thank you so much for making like 16 subscribers, and really I really appreciate for this. So yeah, this is the Amazon packet. This is, as you can guys see it, this is the packet, and again I'm going to do that. Yeah, so this is the packet, guys. Can you see it? So yeah, I bought it from the Amazon. It is called the Mi Smart Band 4. Can you see it? Yes. And ooh, there's also like a manual like this. Wow, that's a big list. Well, I'm gonna see it later on. Let me see the Mi Band. Ooh. Okay. This is the thing, I guess. This is the charger. Okay. I guess this is the strap of the Mi Band. I'm gonna do this. Okay. How do I do this? Yes. This is the thing. Like, going to focus. Yes. So yeah. This is the like the wallpaper, I guess. Yeah, so okay, this is the music system. I guess it is really smart. Yes. This is the weather and stuff. This is the notification, the status, this is the heart rating. Is the activity. Okay, what is this? Ooh, what is this? Guys, can you see it? Like, this is GPS available. Wow. See? This is the